is Emilia Guthrie, and my project's question was, do people prefer organic over non-organic? So in this project, I brought in 10 people from the ages of 12 to 13, and I had them come in and blindly taste 8 different products in their non-organic counterparts. So I had them test green grapes, Honeycrisp apples, cookies, gummies, fruit punch, and orange juice. So I had them taste them, tell me which one they thought was organic verbally, and I would mark down their answer, and then I did the same for when I asked them which one they preferred. Now, after they told me that which one they preferred and which one they thought was organic in the whole, for all 8 products in their non-organic counterparts, I informed them of the information about organic, which is that it is 47% more expensive on average, and it can range from 40 to 50% more expensive normally. And then it's also not scientifically healthier for you. It just has more antioxidants, and antioxidants will help protect your body from harm, but there's not enough scientific data to prove that it is actually healthier. Now, when I informed them of this, I asked them if they would buy organic in the end. So while I was gathering my tools and materials, I found that the price difference, it varied a lot. Organic was almost half more expensive. So the most expensive thing that I gathered for this science project were the gummies. They ended up being 73% more expensive. So down here, this is one of my charts for the fruit punch, gummies, and a lot of things vary for that. And my cost for the organic foods was around $40, and then for my non-organic foods and drinks, it was around $20 in total, and that is all with the same amount of foods and drinks. So when I had them predict which one was organic and non-organic, well, I should probably tell you my hypothesis first. Well, my hypothesis was that the people that I test would like the idea of organic and the taste of organic better than the non-organic, because it would just taste fresher and more natural, because without those pesticides and chemicals, I just felt as if it would taste fresher and more natural because it had more antioxidants and it wasn't covered in pesticides. So back to my results. So their predictions were, when we got to the fruit punch and all of the cookies, the fruit punch, everyone, 10 out of 10 people got the prediction correct. They guessed that the non-organic was non-organic. They got that correct. But then once you got to the fruit, the stuff found in nature, it got very hard. 8 people actually got that incorrect. So with the grapes, and I feel that is because when you are in nature, you cannot change nature's first resemblance of fruit. No matter how much you try to make it taste better, you cannot change fruit in what's found in nature. You can, but not at that much. So the taste results, it was mostly half and half. Most people preferred the non-organic version except one person. So a lot of people preferred the non-organic, and they said because it was sugary, and most people do like the taste of that. So when I asked people if they would buy organic, 50% said yes, and then 30% said no, and they said that's because of the price, and they just do not feel comfortable spending that much more on something that does not actually benefit your health. And then for 20% of people said that it depends. It depends what they're buying, depends if it's on sale. So in conclusion, my hypothesis was not supported. The majority of people did not prefer the taste of organic to non-organic. 5 people preferred the taste of organic. 3 people said sometimes they would buy organic, and then two people said no. So my hypothesis was not supported in the end. And then here are some pictures of people testing it, and they would blindly test it. So some COVID protocols that I had everyone use hand sanitizer frequently. I had hand sanitizer, was wearing a mask and gloves the whole time. So in the end, I conducted this study because I wanted people to be more aware of how they can benefit from organic, and it is a struggle. A lot of people are struggling with obesity around the world, and I'm trying to make it clear that you do not need to change to organic. Organic will not make you healthier, but it will protect your body from harm more. And this study really showed that it was half and half, and it really depended on you personally. So this research impacts the field of my study because it just shows how people can behave, and I hope to do this research again with people that are older to see how the taste palettes will change and evolve, and when they actually have a job and they can talk about their financing and how they would budget for buying organic. So thank you for listening. This is my project. Do people prefer organic over non-organic? Thank you for watching this.